problem number 2, we have here the integral of 7x cubed plus 20x squared plus 35x minus 13 dx over x squared times x squared plus 4x plus 13. We have to check whether the q squared minus 4pr is less than 0 before we apply the partial fraction. So we have our q is 4, so this is 16 minus 4, p is 1, and r is 13 if this is less than 0. So we have here 16, 4 times 13 is 52, so that would give us negative 36. So meaning ito ay distinct na quadratic factor. And here, yung x squared natin, this is repeated linear. So what we are going to do is tanggalin muna natin yung integral sign, and we have here 7x cubed plus 20x squared plus 35x minus 13 over x squared times x squared plus 4x plus 13. This is equal to a over x squared, sa repeated linear to, plus b over x, plus yung idea naman ng quadratic factor, that is c multiplied by the derivative ng quadratic, that's 2x plus 4, over x squared plus 4x plus 13, plus d over yung quadratic factor natin, x squared plus 4x plus 13. So we multiply everything by the denominator, and we would have x squared plus 4x plus 13. So numerator na lang yung matitira dito, 7x cubed plus 20x squared plus 35x minus 13. This is a multiplied by the quadratic factor, x squared plus 4x plus 13, plus b, since makakancel yung isang x dun sa x squared, so we have here x, and the quadratic factor x squared plus 4x plus 13, plus c multiplied by x squared, makakancel yung quadratic factor, multiplied by 2x plus 4, plus d multiplied by x squared, makakancel yung quadratic factor. So if we are going to substitute everything by x is equal to 0, so magsi-0 to, magsi-0 to, magsi-0 to, masasolve natin si a. So if x is equal to 0, so yung left side ng equation natin would be negative 13, and a, so dito ay positive 13. So your a is equal to negative 1. Okay, so next thing na gagawin natin, since wala na tayong mga roots na pwedeng i-substitute, we have to expand the equation and then use the coefficient. So we have 7x cubed plus 20x squared plus 35x minus 13. This is equal to a multiplied by x squared plus 4x plus 13, plus b, this is x cubed plus 4x squared plus 13x, plus c times 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus d times x squared. So for the coefficients of x cubed, sa left side ng equation natin we have 7, and then here we have, so sa a wala, sa b meron, and sa c that's 2c, and this is our equation 1. So for x squared, we have 20 sa left side, and A, we have 4B, we have 4C, and D. This is our equation 2. For X, we have 35 sa left side ng equation, and we have 4A, we have 13B. Ayan. So for the constant, we have negative 13 sa kabila and 13A naman dito, wherein si A is negative 1. Yun din yung na-compute natin kanina. So since we already have the value of A, pwede na natin i-substitute dito sa equation 3 natin. And our equation 3 would be 35 is equal to 4, your A is negative 1, plus 13B. So B is equal to positive 3. Since we already have the value of B, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute dito sa ating equation 1. So pag sinubstitute natin sa equation 1, we have here 7 is equal to, yung B natin is 3 plus 2C. And we would have C is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. So C is equal to positive 2. Then for equation 2, substitute natin yung A, B, C. So we have 20 here. Yung A is negative 1, B is positive 3, so that's 4 times 3, and yung C is 2, so that's 4 times 2 plus D. So solving for the value of D, we have D is equal to positive 1. So we already have the value of A, B, C, and D. So next thing na gagawin natin is isa-substitute na natin. So babalik muna natin yung integral sign. So babalik natin yung integral sign, and dx here, and dx here, integral dx here. So substitute na natin yung A, B, C, and D. So we have A is negative 1, so this is negative integral of dx over x squared. B is positive 3, so that's plus 3 integral of dx over x. Your C is equal to positive 2, so we have plus 2 integral of 2x plus 4 dx over x squared plus 4x plus 13, plus D is positive 1, so that's integral of dx over x squared plus 4x plus 13. Now, for the first term, i-aakyat natin yung denominator natin, and we would have negative x to the negative 2 dx plus 3, the integral of dx over x is ln x, plus 2, since the derivative of x squared plus 4x plus 13 is 2x plus 4 dx, so therefore this is just ln of the denominator, ln of x squared plus 4x plus 13. Then here we have to complete the square, so that's plus integral of dx over x squared plus 4x. So babalikan natin, we have b squared is equal to 4ac. B is 4, so that's 16. 4 times 1 times c, and c is equal to positive 4. So we have 2 plus and minus 4, so that's plus 4 plus 13 minus 4. So in here, our formula, n plus 1 over n plus 1, we have negative x to the negative 1 over negative 1 plus 3 ln x plus 2 ln of x squared plus 4x plus 13. And here we have the integral of dx over, so this is x plus 2 square plus, so 13 minus 4 is 9, and this is 3 square. So if we recall the formula, the integral of dv over v squared plus a squared is just equal to 1 over a arctangent of v over a plus c. So since our v here is x plus 2 and the derivative is dx, so pwede natin gamit yung formula natin, and here your a is equal to 3. So simplifying the first term, and we would have positive, baba natin si x to the negative 1, so 1 over x na siya, plus 3 ln x plus 2 ln of x squared plus 4x plus 13 plus 1 over a, so that's 1/3 arctangent of v, that's x plus 2 over a, that's 3 plus c. And simplifying further, this 3 here will be the exponent of x, so pwede na natin siyang pagsamahin. We have 1 over x plus ln of x cubed, ito yon, multiplied by, since this is addition, and the 2 here will be the exponent of this term, so x squared plus 4x plus 13 square plus 1/3 arctangent of x plus 2 over 3 plus c, and this is our answer.